Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林澤少。And this month we're teaching you the phrase, have you seen something before? And the answer, yes or no, and then we're going to elaborate from there. 所以先教大家怎麼說，你有看過嗎？
是看過嗎？
是看過嗎？ And it's yes or no?
是。
Let's bring people to the ball game today, okay? 我們今天帶大家去看球賽。
OK。
看什麼球賽呢？
棒球。
你喜歡棒球啊？我喜歡籃球。
OK， 我兒子喜歡足球。
哎呀，真的嗎？ All right, let's take you to the baseball game, the basketball game, and the soccer game. 棒球賽、籃球賽、足球賽分別教一下。
野球比賽。
野球比賽 ，That's baseball 棒球。那籃球呢？
籃球比賽。
籃球比賽 ，Okay, that is a basketball game. And finally, soccer 足球。
足球比賽。
足球比賽。Okay, as you can tell, 比賽 is a very common phrase or word there. 比賽就是 game 就是一個 competition.
那海陸腔的比賽，比賽。
比賽 Okay, that's a different dialect for a game or a competition. So let's use one of these sporting events as a question here. And since it's NBA basketball season right now, 我們就問你，你有看過籃球賽嗎？
是看過籃球比賽嗎？
是看過籃球比賽嗎？Okay, that means have you seen a basketball game? 所以 Alice 你喜歡看棒球，但籃球有看過嗎？
沒呢，現場的沒看過，可是電視上有。
Alice says she's never seen a basketball game, but only on TV. 對，所以一定要看現場的啦。
一定愛看現場嘅。
一定愛看現場嘅。現場 live, you gotta see it live. Alice, we gotta go together. 我們一定要一起去看。所以呢，我要問你，要不要跟我去看？
愛老嗌，鄉下來去看麼？
愛老嗌，鄉下來去看麼？ Let's review all these sporting events and some of these phrases. 棒球賽 a baseball game.
野球比賽
野球比賽 a basketball game. 籃球賽
籃球比賽
籃球比賽 and a soccer game. 足球賽
足球比賽
足球比賽 and 現場 live. 現場 And it's all about asking, have you seen this before? 你有看過嗎？
是看過嗎？
是看過嗎？ And it could be yes, 是 or in Alice's case, 是 That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
漢字四張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.